would like to share you one of my favorite face packs I use when I need to get that glow within a very short span. So that is milk bread. Yes, it might sound surprising, but yes, milk bread does wonders to our skin. I know not many of us actually know it. I came to know about it from a friend. So the not just any bread, only milk bread can be used in this process. So this milk bread will give us immediate glow, as well as that soft, smooth skin we usually yearn for. Now I'll be cutting the edges of the bread. No, this is very simple pack. All you need to have is just milk bread and some milk and honey, and yes, that's pretty much it, and you're good to go. You'll have to cut the corners of the bread. You just want the white part in our pack, not the brown part. You don't need that. Now this milk bread goes really well, with our skin, and it gives us that the so-called uh, soft, supple, and healthy glow to our skin. All you have to do is just apply this pack for about, say, like 15 minutes, and then you're good to go. Now I'm shredding them into pieces and adding it to the mixie jar, and I'm adding some milk. That's pretty much it. Nothing more than that. It might look simple, but trust me, guys, this does wonders on our skin. No matter how simple it sounds, it absolutely just gives us the sheen and the soft skin we actually are looking for. So here it is. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much your pack. All you have to do is add some honey. You can even apply this pack as it is, it'll still work on your skin. But if you want a better glow, better add some honey. You can skip honey if you do not have it, it's okay. I'm telling you, just the milk and bread itself are enough to give us that lovely glow. So yes, these are all the ingredients that just lie in our house, but they are extremely helpful when it comes to applying them on our skin. That's pretty much it. It's like the easiest pack ever. I'm adding a little bit more. That's it. That's pretty much it. Nothing more. Just some bread, milk bread, and honey and milk. That's pretty much it. I'm again reminding you, friends, only use milk bread, not the brown bread and all. Usually, for health conscious purpose, we buy those, but those won't go well for the face pack. I'd say always use milk bread if you want to apply it on your skin. So that's pretty much it. Do give it a try. I'm sure you're going to love it, because it might sound silly and simple, but once you apply it on your skin, you'll know the difference. But make sure that you keep it on for at least say about like 15 to 20 minutes. I mean, the pack has to dry when you apply it on your skin, right? Only then you'll be able to see the difference. So then just wash your face. That's it. Okay, thank you.